explain you. Lesson number 2, how the dog found himself a new master. This is a folk tale. Folk tale means a story which is told, passed by one generation to another generation in oral form. So this story is a folk tale, and in this through this story we will come to know that how dog became pet animal. Many years ago they were not pet animal, but how they have become pet animal we will come to know through this story. So what happened? Dogs were once their own master. Dogs were their own master, and they were living like in the way wolf lives. Now wolves are a wild animal, and how the wolves are living now, dogs were also living like that many years ago. Why dogs are compared with wolf? Because wolf belongs to dog's family. But what happened? One dog was born, and he was very ill placed. Ill placed means he was not happy with his life. He was not happy because he has to wander here and there. Wandering means roaming aimlessly. He has to wander here and there in search of food, and he was also frightened of animals who were stronger than him. Frightened means scared of animals who were stronger than him. So he decided that he will make a master. He will become servant of some other animal who is stronger than him, or who is stronger animal on the earth. So he walked and he met his kinsman. Kinsman means his relative, that is wolf. And he thought that wolf is a very strongest animal. He was fierce. Fierce means aggressive, means very violent. And he asked wolf that please become my master. Wolf was agreed, and then they both dog and wolf started to live together. Then one day what happened? Wolf and dog, when they were walking through the forest, suddenly wolf smelled. What is there? Sniffed. Sniffed means inhale. So suddenly wolf inhaled or smelled. What he smelled? That a bear was coming towards them, and he darted. Darted means moved quickly. He started to move quickly inside the bushes and hide himself inside the bushes. Then dog asked to wolf. He was very much surprised because he was thinking that wolf is strongest animal in the forest. So he asked to wolf that why you are hiding like this. Then wolf said that bear is stronger than us. If he will see us, then he may kill us. Then at that same moment, dog left him and went to the bear, and he asked the bear to become his master. Then what happened? Because bear was agreed. He said, yes, okay, I will be your master and you can serve me. And then they both started to live together. Then they had planned that let us go and find a herd of cow, and I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill. Fill means as much as is wanted. Bear planned that they will go in the jungle and search a herd of cow, and he will kill one cow in that, and then both dog and bear both will eat as much as they wanted. पूरे पेट भर के वो लोग खाएंगे. And then bear और dog दोनों ही जंगल में चले जाते हैं cow, herd of cow यानी कि group of cow को ढूंढने के लिए, ताकि वो cow को मार सके और खा सके. Suddenly bear heard a terrible noise. Terrible means fearful noise. The cow were mooing. Mooing means sound of cow is called mooing. So cows were mooing loudly and running in panic. Panic means fear. Okay, they were running here and there with fear. Then bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily. Hastily means quickly. So bear was at that time behind the tree when cows were mooing and moving in panic in all the direction, and he smelt, that time bear smelt that a lion was coming towards them, and so he ran very quickly to hide himself from the lion. Dog was surprised because he was thinking that bear was stronger animal in that forest. So he asked to bear that why you are hiding yourself. Then bear said that lion is stronger than bear. So now dog left that bear and he went to lion. वो lion के पास जाता है and he asked lion to become his master. And then lion was agreed and they started to live together. For long days they lived together because lion was the strongest animal in the forest, and no one lion was the strongest beast. Beast means animal in the forest, and no one dared to touch the dog or offend him. Dared means brave enough to do something. कोई भी किसी की भी इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी कि वो डॉग को कुछ कर सके, क्योंकि उसका मास्टर लायन था. अगर वो कुछ कोई एनिमल अगर डॉग को कुछ हर्ट करेगा तो क्या होगा, लायन उसको मार डालेगा. इसीलिए कभी भी कोई एनिमल उसके पास भी नहीं जाता था और डॉग की लाइफ बहुत ही हैप्पीली बीत रही थी. Then what happened one day when lion and dog were walking together in the jungle, lion smelt a man. लायन को पता चलता है कि कोई शिकारी या कोई आदमी फॉरेस्ट में आया है. And what he does, he walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliff, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. So when they were walking on the cliff, cliff मतलब ऊंची ऊंची पहाड़, ऊंची ऊंची पहाड़ नहीं बोलेंगे, उसको बोलेंगे रॉक. ठीक है, बड़े बड़े रॉक्स पे वो लायन चल रहा था और तभी उसको पता चलता है कि कोई इंसान आया है और फिर वो बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाता है. लायन बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता है और फिर रोर यानी चिल्लाने लगता है, आवाज करने लगता है, रोरिंग करने लगता है. फिर डॉग सरप्राइज हो जाता है एंड ही आस्क्स टू लायन दैट व्हाई यू आर रोरिंग एंड व्हाई यू आर एंग्री. देन ही लायन सेड टू डॉग दैट ही स्मेल्ट अ मैन. उसको पता चला है, मैन का स्मेल आ रहा है, उसको पता चल रहा है कि कोई आदमी उस तरफ आ रहा है. एंड ही प्लान टू, वो सोचता है कि अब चलो अब छुप जाते हैं. तो डॉग बोलता है, डॉग को समझ आ जाता है कि लायन से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट कौन है, मैन है. तो इसीलिए वो फिर मैन के पास जाता है और उसका और मैन को अपना मास्टर बना लेता है और फिर आज तक वो मैन के साथ ही रह रहा है. सो एट लास्ट ही मेड मैन एज हिज master because he thought that man is the strongest being on this earth. I hope you have understood this story. Thank you.